Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can be able to build an email list. So email list is a gold mine. Majority of people don't understand, even if you are not business. As far as you want to sell anything online or want to build solid online audience, you need to have an email list. And how are you going to do this? This is what I'm going to talk about in this video, but using PLR products, high valued PLR products to build email lists that will pay you forever. All right, so I will teach you and break down in 6 steps how you can be able to use a high valued PLR product to build a valuable email list that will make you money online in 2025. So let's jump into it and let's look at what is number one. The first thing again is for you to get highly valued PLR products. It could be you may be passionate about SEO, and it could be step-by-step guide to SEO or how to do SEO right, or something like 10 weight loss tips if you are very interested in weight loss or wellness, any of that. Just pick a great product with a great title and rebrand it, and then start getting traffic or pushing traffic to it. So number 2, how are you going to start getting traffic so you can start building that list? Basically offering people that free, great valued PLR products that they will want to get, and we give you that email or their name so you can start reaching out to them and marketing whatever you have to them. Now you will want to go to resellwritingpower.com and grab valuable PLR products on there. It could be 1 or 2 if you want, all right? Or you can decide to use platforms like Etsy and get you a valued PLR product that people are looking for, people will need, and we want to exchange their email for it. All right, so that's number 2. Get the right one and then rebrand it and customize it how you feel your audience will love it, and then start pushing it out. So number 3 is building the landing page, and you can use a System.io or maybe tools like ConvertKit or Marilite, any of these platforms that allows you to build that landing page, and also have that capture lead platform that you can ask those people to be able to put in their name and their email. So you can use any of these tools and build that landing page or that capture page, and of course have this product, this high value product attached to it. In a way, once they sign up, they will automatically be able to access that PLR product. So number 4 is very important. How are you going to reach out to the right people? How are you going to build traffic or send traffic to that landing page that you just built? Now you have pages or platforms like Pinterest. All right, majority of you don't know the amount of traffic you can be able to get when you have a Pinterest account and consistently create great pins. You can use Facebook groups, you can use TikTok, you can use Quora to answer questions, or use Reddit, any of these forums, any of these social media platforms. You can use LinkedIn, which is very important platform to send newsletters. You can have your branded page on it and regularly post and be able to reach the right audience, all right, and basically promote this product to them so they will be able to get it for free. Don't forget, you are offering this for free. You want them to get it for free, and you need to make or just get them to understand that it's completely free, and they need to sign up to be able to get it. All right, now you don't have to forget, we have to have a brief description of that product on that landing page so you can outline the value that they're going to get. So once they give you that email, they can be able to have access to that particular product. Do not forget that. Make it attractive, make it valuable, and be able to push it out using all these platforms I just mentioned to drive traffic to that landing page so you can be able to start collecting those emails. So number 6 is basically nurturing that email list. Right here, you will have to nurture them. So once they give you that email list and their name, you are going to hit them with a welcome email, right? So that will be basically you appreciating them for signing up, and then having some of your paid offers linked to that landing page and that particular email or your socials, so they can follow you on all your social media handles and see your paid offers as well. This is how you start building authority and start offering them products or other tips or other valuable content, so they start consuming those content, and then you convert them to paying customers. All right, this is the key here. The goal here is to get that email list, but the end goal is to make money off that email list. So you start offering paid offers, and your socials, of course, you have to add that so they can follow. You build authority over this email list and consistently, send them email. And again, just to end, if you don't know where to get highly valued PLR products, check ResellRightsEmpire.com. In any niche or whatever you're passionate about, you'll be able to find great PLR products on Resell Rights Empire, and go out there, rebrand it, customize it, make it look good, and send it out, push it out to the right audience, and start building email lists so you can start making money online in 2025. So if you have watched this video till now, I will ask you to do me a favor and do yourself a favor. Subscribe so you won't miss any other great video on how to grow online in 2025. So thank you again. My name is Eugene, and I will wait to see you in my next video. Thank you.